everybody, it's me, and sorry I did not do a video last Wednesday. I was kind of, lazy and busy. I'm not gonna lie. But thankfully, there are Zonies out, which is a Zony and a pony. The only way you can do these quests is the only way to buy the pony is you have to build the circus. That's pretty much it. So I said I wasn't going to use my star coins for a month, because it's already been a month, so another month, and I'm very desperate to. So I'm going to ask Brooke if she would like to buy the Zony with me, so we'll both have the Zony and we won't feel regretted because we both have it, and also because I don't want to be alone. So I'm going to text her right now. Getting on right now, so that's great. We're going to do these quests right here. Oh my god, hi. Okay. I will not come close. Oh, okay. You're an ugly pony. Oh my god. Yes, they're Swedish. Oh, yeah, Emily. Say hi. Say hi.
Oh yeah, I'm at North Swedish.
Wait, is he gonna
come around the one and all? Let the show begin.
Is he gonna turn that poor pony into a Zony?
Oh my god!
Oh my god, that's the most hideous thing I've seen.
Yes! A little long in the tooth down to there, so the scalp.
I'm not reading this. Oh my god, that is so hideous. What is
try
that?
Again. Yeah,
Oh,
no.
it's a reindeer. Oh dear.
It's a reindeer!
Exactly. Oh dear. What is this? Mary something.
We're not disparaged of late. We are just in case my third attempt will be best to something astounding.
I'm eating crackers. I can't see.
I'm making a zebra noise!
Okay, we're fangirling. Okay, we need help.
Skip all of the words you're saying right now.
I don't really care what he's saying. Give me the Zony. Give me the Zony, hunty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I can't reach him because that's you. Okay.
Oh my god,
Give me the Zony.
How much?
Oh my god, Emily, should we get it?
I have 885. How much is it?
It's $5.50.
That's a lot.
That's not that much. I mean, Emily, I
How
have
much
it.
I've been saving, but of course I want it.
I need to calculate how much I'll have.
I'm
I'll probably
gonna
have like zero.
Well, I'll have like 300 and something.
I'll have like zero. So it's 665 minus 550.
I clicked buy.
Oh my god. Wait, hold on. Should we name it a rush, like something in whatchamacallit? Look at his horseshoes. That's fancy. Name it in Russian because it's so like what?
You know how I said since I got 13 these that one of them was gonna kill me?
Yes.
One of them did kill me. They killed my mouth.
A phantom father is what I want my death name to be.
It's so beautiful.
I know. I can't think of a name for it. Phantom princess, phantom queen, phantom queen.
Really?
And what should I name it? Phantom queen.
I don't know. Amethyst soul, amethyst spell, or amethyst spirit, or hoof or mane.
I don't know.
I'm thinking about soul, spirit, or spell.
I don't know if I should name it Phantom.
Amethyst spell.
Yeah. Phantom Whisper.
Hers looks okay.
I'm falling.
I want to click OK, but all of my star coins will be down the drain. But I'll have a new horse and it's beautiful, but I don't have my star coins.
I will have one 15 left, Emily. You'll have like 365,000 left.
No, I have like 335.
I don't know what I should name it with Fanta. Queen. Okay. Are we gonna? When are we gonna press OK?
I don't know.
Calm down. I'm gonna press. Okay, but seriously, calm down.
I'm scared to press OK.
Me too.
Even though I want this horse like nothing else.
Get off your phone or your iPad, whatever you want. Annoying. But seriously, get off. I'm gonna press OK without you.
Okay, press OK in 3, 2, 1. Oh god, I'm not it.
I did it!
I'm gonna hit my head on something.
I don't care. Oh my god, your new horse is now at your stable. I'm fangirling.
Really, this is the Musically that I posted yeah, it's beautiful. You'll see. You ugly ass frick. Look at this comment. You so much. Oh my god, heart.
Where is it, Emily? I'm scared. Where is it?
And it said, and I know. They're probably gonna comment like, this. It was a joke. And I'll be like, yeah, sure.
It's so pretty. Oh my god, I'm going wild. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Oh my, oh, yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
No, there's a Zony right there. It's literally right there.
Oh my god, I'm about to come out. It is so pretty. Oh my god, we need to get a family photo.